Okay, so let's make first one slip knot. Turn your yarn like one time and then tighten up, and then make total 32 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now I have here total 32 chain. To start first row, add first 4 chain. 1 2 3 and 4. This 4 chain I will count as one stitch, triple crochet I will count 1. Then yarn over twice. 1 2 2 time yarn over, and then skip 4 chain. 1 2 3 4, which I make here 4 extra chain. Skip this one. 4 on the 5th chain, make triple crochet. So pull over through 2 and then pull through 2, then pull through 2. So here I have one triple crochet. I will count this 3 chain, 1 and then 2, and I will make one more time. So yarn over twice. 1 2, twice yarn over, and then on the next chain make triple crochet. Now I have here total 3 triple crochet, and after this make 2 chain. 1 2 chain, and then just little bit stretch, not too much, not too big, and then yarn over, and I have here 2 chains. So not first one, and the second one, second chain. Insert your hook, pull the yarn like this, and then again we will make puff stitch over here. So you just need to insert your hook, pull the yarn, then insert your hook, pull the yarn like this. So you can make as long as you want to make. 5 times 6 times you can pull your yarn, or you can make more longer as well. I'll make little bit small, not too big. Then close this with, that's it. And after this skip 3 chain. 1 2 3, on the 4th chain make triple crochet. Yarn over twice. 1 2, twice yarn over on the hook, and skip 3 chain over here. Next 1 2 3, on the 4th chain make triple crochet. Again, sorry, twice, and then here I have something like this. And next make 3 chain, 4 chain, sorry, 1 2 3 4 chain, and then skip here 3 chain. On the 4th chain we will make. So I will count, not this one, on the next. 1 2 3 4, on the 4th chain make triple crochet. Yarn over twice. Here just grab this, here, and then 2 chain. 1 2 chain, and now I will make same this puff stitch over here. Pull little bit, not too much. If you want to make bigger, you can make like this bigger, then you have to skip chain according to here. As long as your puff stitch, you have to skip chain and then make triple crochet according. But I'm just making a little bit small here, this size, not too big. And then first chain, on the first chain insert your hook and pull the yarn. 1 time, 2 3 4 5. So 5 is enough. You can make bigger, more time you can take your yarn, but 5 is okay. Then close this with the chain, and then over here skip 3 chain. 1 2 3, on the 4th chain yarn over twice, and make here triple crochet. Sorry. Here we have this. Now you can just keep repeating this row, and I'm going to show you. 1 2 3 4, then yarn over twice, skip 3 chain, 1 2 3, on the 4th chain make your triple crochet, then 1 2 chain, and now make puff stitch, pull little bit. So make sure you are making your puff stitch same size sorry. And then on your first, 1 time, 2 3 4 5, then close this with 1 chain, and then skip 3 chain, 1 2 3, on the 4th chain yarn over twice, on the 4th chain make triple crochet, like this, then 1 2 3 4 chain, skip 3 chain, 1 2 3, on the 4th chain yarn over twice, make over here triple crochet, and then 2 chain, 1 2 chain, and make puff stitch, stretch little bit, and then on the first chain pull the yarn, 1 2 3 4 5, then close this with 1 chain, and then skip 3 chain, 1 2 3, on the 4th chain yarn over twice, make triple crochet here, and then I have last 2 chain left, and we will make triple crochet, yarn over twice, and the last 2 stitches make 2 triple crochets here, then yarn over twice again, last chain, here. In last I have here 3 triple crochet, and in the starting make sure in the starting as well I have here 3 triple crochet. First this 3 chain, sorry, in the starting we started with the 4 chain, so we will count as 1 triple crochet 4 chain, then 2 triple crochet, so total 3, and in the end as well I have 3, so it has to be same, or you can make 2, it's depending. Now my first row complete. To second row start with, again we will do 4 chain, so make 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, this 4 chain I will count as 1 triple crochet, then yarn over twice in the next stitch over here, and then next stitch make triple crochet, then next yarn over twice, on the make triple crochet. Okay, so I have here 3 triple crochets, and then 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, yarn over twice, I have here 1 triple crochet, yarn over twice, and on the top of this triple crochet make here triple crochet here. So now what we doing, we will do this stitch over here, and this one is here, So just opposite now, alternate. And now I will make 2 chain, 1, 2 chain, and then pull little bit, stretch your yarn and make puff stitch over here. On the first chain, pull the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then pull through all and make 1 chain, finished. And then yarn over twice, make on here, I have here triple crochet, just make triple crochet on the top of this. Now it's easy actually, you don't need to worry about skip chains and all. Like I have here this now, and I will make again 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over twice on here, make triple crochet, this, and then 2 chain, 1, 2, and make your puff stitch, stretch little bit your yarn, and then very first chain, pull the yarn 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull through all, 1 chain, close it, and then yarn over twice on the top of this triple crochet, just make 1 triple crochet here, and then 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, then yarn over twice on the top of this, here, and then 1, 2 chain, and make your puff again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then, and now yarn over twice, make triple crochet, here, then 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yarn over twice, make last 3 triple crochets, 1, yarn over twice again, next one, sorry, here, and last I will make 1, yarn over twice, and here I have in the starting, remember we started with the 4 chain, so skip 3 chain, on the 4th, on the top 4th one, just insert your hook and make chain, triple crochet to make straight line here. Now 3 triple crochet in the end, and in the start I have here 3 triple crochets, and now we have our design like this. Now just keep repeating this row. I will repeat now this first row here, so I'm going to show you once again, then you guys can keep going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain will count as 1 triple crochet, then yarn over twice in the next stitch, 1, again yarn over twice, next stitch. Okay, so I have here 3 triple crochets. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, and I will make over here puff stitch. If you see, because I don't have here puff stitch, so I will make puff here 4 chains. So For this, stretch your yarn little bit, loose your yarn, and then yarn over, and on the very first chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then close with this one chain. That's it. Now yarn over twice and make over here triple crochet. Here, and then 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over twice, make triple crochet on the top of this triple crochet line, then 1, 2 chain, make puff stitch over here, pull the yarn 1, 5 times I have to, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now close this with one chain and then yarn over twice, make triple crochet, like this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over twice here, then 1, 2 chain and make puff stitch over here like this. So you can see your design. That's it. You just need to repeat your line. Actually this is just one row repeat line, or you can say two, it's alternate, so actually one row only. You can keep going on, just repeat, and here you need to just make opposite. Now you will make on the next row, here puff stitch, here just 4 chain, like this. You can see my chart. If you want, you can check this chart on my website. Link I will put on my description box. You can download that chart, or you can see from there. You can make your design. And if you want to make some longer, so 4 chain, you can see you can make longer, and then last, if you want to make 3 triple crochet or maybe 4, 5, depending what you're making, so you can just make. And I'm going to show you some more rows, and then you can see how this design looks like.